The Zettelkasten Method, mastering idea capture like a pro. Hello studying machines. Get ready to be blown away by the coolest way to keep track of your thoughts and ideas. The Zettelkasten Method. Have you ever had a light bulb moment and then poof, it's gone? Or do you sometimes feel like you're swimming in a sea of information? Fear not, because the Zettelkasten Method is here to save the day. Dreamed up by a super smart German dude named Niklas Luhmann, this method is like a superhero for your brain. It's all about writing down your ideas on little notes called Zettels and making them all friends with each other. Here's the scoop. Whenever a cool idea pops into your head or you learn something new and nifty, just jot it down on a note card or in a digital note. Give each idea its own special name or number. Now, the real magic happens. When you find an idea that's like a cousin to one you already have, you link them up. It's like building your very own web of awesome thoughts, helping you see how everything connects in amazing ways. But wait, there's more. The Zettelkasten Method has a secret weapon called Atomicity. This fancy word means you break down big, brain-busting ideas into small, easy-to-digest pieces. Each Zettel is like a mini idea, keeping things simple and focused. Using the Zettelkasten method is like giving your brain a superpower. Your ideas get all tidy and organized, making it a breeze to find and use them when you need them. Plus, connecting ideas sparks even more brilliant thoughts. It's like a creativity party in your head. This method is perfect for everyone. Students, researchers, writers, or anyone who wants to keep their ideas in tip-top shape. Jump on the Zettelkasten bandwagon and watch your productivity zoom to the stars. Start using this method today and say a big hello to a world where no idea ever gets lost again. You'll have a treasure chest of knowledge that keeps your creativity flowing. And hey, if you love this video, smash that subscribe button for more awesome tips and tricks to make your brain even more amazing. Thanks for tuning in, studying machines. Until next time.